Shinkansen. This is the Nozomi Super Express, bound to Shin Osaka. We will be stopping at Kyoto Station. This train is completely non-smoking. Please refrain from smoking anywhere on the train. While in the car, we are Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
We're now heading to bus station, going to Ansai International Airport. Traveling to Kagoshima. Gusto muna kami dito sa Kyoto. Travel muna kami sa Kagoshima.
Isahan na lang ako ng mga isosyo.
Taga lang.
Ito dito. Dito.
Ayan. Kaya hindi nakapas, hindi naka-agal ang bigat ng bagahe kasi 7 kilos lang ang allow. Titimbang nila yan dyan bago pumasok sa check-in. Pag sinabing 7 kilos lang. Ng 7.5 kilos pwede. Kaya yan sila Duday. Nagbayad kayo ng ng bagahe. Ayan, nakaligpas na kami sa check-in counter. Andito na kami sa parang duty-free shop nila. Ha? Tubig. Anong ano tayo? Anong number tayo?
Ha?
Anong number tayo?
Check na natin.
Tignan mo yung number. Ito na yung waiting area ng domestic flight.
86.
Doon tayo pag ganun tayo. 96. So, 96 kami. So, dito tayo sa kabila. 96 dyan. Yan. Wala bang toilet dyan?
天地183便、宮崎行きは、搭乗口を96番に変更いたしました。ご利用のお客様は、96番、
Terminal 2 kami guys.
ごご利用ください。
Dito ba?
Yan,
Your
oo.
accommodation please. The boarding gate of each flight,
Dito na tayo.
Miyazaki, has been changed to 96. Please like us all and flight.
Ayan guys, ang flight namin is 3 o'clock. Delay siya. So, naging 4:10. So, ang gagawin namin, lilibot muna kami. Meron pa kami almost 2 hours. Saan tayo sa masahe? Halika. Ito muna kami sa masahe. Yan. Pamasahe muna kami. Doon ka na lang, Maya. Diyan ka na lang. Yan. Pamasahe muna kami. Babayad kami ng 300 yen.
210.
Para magawa masahe. We go. Boarding time. Domestic flight dito sa Kansai. Terminal 2. Ah. Full makeup. Full foundation.
Hi guys. Ay, wala akong makeup eh.
Okay lang yan. Magsalita ka. Saan ka pupunta?
Hi guys. We're going to another place. Another Philippines.
Another adventure.
Adventure. Pag walang adventure, hindi masaya ang buhay.
Saan ba punta niyo, madam?
Tandaan mo na kami ng Caracas, Venezuela.
Bago?
Bago yung drop sa Venezuela. After that, we're going to Chile.
Tara.
Kakain natin ng maaga. Tapos after that, pagkagabi, flight na naman natin papuntang last day.
Ang tara. Ito ang view ng ano. Ha?
Ayan, may show po kami sa last day.
Ay, may show. So may
Casino.
rock.
Casino Elevado.
Ba't ang konti lang ng dala-dala mo?
Nandun na yung ano.
Para mamamalig.
Dala ng mga ano, ng mga katulong.
Kasi yung dalawang katulong. Nauna na ba? Ba't nakalagay po Kagoshima?
Kagoshima, doon kasi ang bound to Narita Airport.
Gate 97. Kagoshima. Oh, baka kailangan mo ng ano. Ba't ka kailangan mo ng wheelchair?
Ako mag-wheelchair.
Oh my God, ang daming pasahero. Yan po kami.
5 kilometer pang bago.
25 meter ang lalakarin. Exercise po. Ganit po rito sa Japan. Palalakarin ka muna bago ka ano.
Maganda po ang Japan. Maganda po ang sistema nila. Hindi katulad sa Pilipinas.
Ganun.
Yes.
Kala ko baka taga Venezuela ka? Bakit may Pilipinas?
And sometimes going to the Philippines, going to Boracay, Siargao,
Ay,
and
sosyal.
Palawan, and El Nido.
Ay, sosyal.
Yes.
Ganun ang ano, oh. Terminal 2. The nearest.
This is my hotel in Japan.
Ay, ito ba?
Yes.
Europlaza.
If you want to go here in Japan, you go here in Kansai, Then you will see the Europlaza.
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 So, sasakay tayo ng beach.
Sasakay tayo ng beach. The telephone number is 072-455-1111.
Ayan. Boarding time na kami.
The QR code.
QR code. Ayan.
QR code. Yung isang bakla, mali ang pangalan.
Wala naman ang ano-ano yun.
Pangalan niya, Eduardo Garriando. Farah.
Bukelia.
She's a bouncer.
Dancer.
Or palengke.
Bouncer, dancer.
Not married.
Ayan. Boarding sign, picture line.
上部 QR コードとお座席の部分拝見しております。こちらからリアクセも
Thank you.
Thank you. ありがとうございます。
We're here. Ayun po sasakyan namin. We're here. Ayan po ang sasakyan namin. Ayan na, malapit po kami rito sa aming sasakyan ng Beach Airline. Taray! Taray!
Dear passengers, please place your small baggage under the seat and place the large baggage
We're
that is
already
not fit under
inside.
the seat into the overhead.
Tagal ko hindi nakasakay ng beach. More than
Beverages and
how many
fragile
years?
move or break, please store them under the seat in front of you. There is a
27
bar under your seat to keep your baggage in place.
My ticket
To
is
avoid damage,
27.
please be careful not to step on the bar when storing your baggage.
So, nasa likod pala
Thank
kami.
you for your cooperation.
Ayan. Likod pala kami. So, kami. Siya. Ganon. Ano? Nasabi niya.
Bakit mo sinasabing M.M.E.?
Ano ba ba bibilihin mo?
I want alak ng mga Diyosa.
Saan?
Ito.
Hindi.
Ay, di ba? Ito alak ng barbado with combo.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Peace. This is flight MM197 from Kagoshima Airport. Your captain is Yamashita, and your chief officer is Hatsuma. The flight time to Kagoshima Airport.
Thank you very much for the beach life.
Our departure is during
Tapos may libre silang
We
beach, no?
apologize for the inconvenience.
Kasi beach day.
Okay, guys.
If you need help, let us
Have a
know
safe
and
flight.
thank you.
So safe. Oh, may wifi.
1 hour and 15 minutes of travel.
ただいまから非常設備をご案内いたします。外すときはご覧くだ片方を持ち上げてください。Please fasten your seatbelt tight and low while you are seated. To unfasten your seatbelt, raise the flap. 機内に酸素が必要な状態になると酸素マスクが降りてきます。マスクを顔に強く引き寄せ、鼻と口に当て、ゴム紐を頭にかけてお使いください。ゴム紐の端を引くと長さの調節ができます。In case of loss of cabin parachute, the oxygen mask will drop from the edge above your seat. Pull the mask sharp points towards you. place it over your nose and mouth, and put your left palm over your head. You can touch the band free on the end. 非常口はただいま客室調明が示しているドアです。お近くの非常口と非常口サインをお確かめください。The cabin option does signal indicate towards the emergency exit. Please take a few moments to look at the exit and exit sign nearest you. 脱出時は上体を起こしてスライドを滑ります。腕は前に伸ばして上に振ります。When you evacuate, the culprit and exit person in front of you. Sit up straight and keep your bum towards your side now. 救命は皆様のお先の下にあります。裏から取り出して頭からかぶります。Such as using of electric devices, such as for the drinking light, smoking on board, or interfering with the flow in your suitcase. We will treat this as violation law. 何かご質問がありましたら、エクストラメールにお尋ねください。If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me after that. Thank you.
Final approach. Ang bilis. Mababa na kami. One hour lang ang biyahe papunta. Dito na po kami. Thanks God for the traveling nurse.
Umupo lang tayo dito.
Bilis. We're here at Kagoshima. Welcome to Kagoshima. Parang na out of Hello guys. Dito po kami sa Kagoshima. Ano kayang meron dito? Abangan, nasusunod na kabanata.
皆様、鹿児島空港に着陸いたしました。頭上にございますベルト着用するときで、シートベルトをお腰の低い位置で、緩みのないようしっかり締めたままお待ちください。この先、すべての電子機器をご使用いただけますが、引き続き飛行機内での通話はご遠慮ください。到着後、上の
Ano masasabi nyo sa flight nyo?
Yung manager ko, ano ba yan?
Ano masasabi nyo?
Thank you very much for my cameraman.
Hindi nyo pa pasalamatan
For my editor.
Thank you for the picture.
Thank you so much for another day, another day. Bagong buhay.
Bagong buhay ng pag-asa.
Bagong buhay.
Kung saan na napapadpad.
Sunod na sa Afghanistan.
Aray,
ako sa Chile.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We're here at Kagoshima. The weather is good.
Yung vulkan o kay vulkan?
May vulkan?
Oo. Yan sa Karajima. Karajima yan.
Ayun yung vulkan. May vulkan pala rito. Welcome to Kagoshima.
크게 못 들다고요.
Tama. Ganda ng naganda ng ano, bulkan. Ang bulkan. Yan yung sakyan namin. Ayan, ang sakyan namin. Ayun daw ang bulkan. Toilet muna. Baggage claim dahil nagbayad sila ng bagahe dahil nag-over sila. Nagbayad sila ng 3,000 yen. Kasi bawal yung over ng 7 kilos. Hanggang 7.5 kilos okay lang. Pero hindi na pwede pag ano. Wow, ang ganda naman dito. Tom Jones na agad. Ang lawak naman ng airport dito. Ang lawak.
Ay, sumabog. Ito na siya, di ba?
Ito yung vulkan. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Andito na kami sa Kagoshima. Until then, mga susunod na mga kaganapan sa buhay. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to, yes. Bye. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye na, Belen.
Bye.
Bye na daw. Bye.
I'm an icon, man. Ain't my girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.